Every day you see them opening up more. We get overtures about, can this be in the bill? Can that be in the bill? Because they know there has to be a bill. What is not doesn't measure up is, oh, it can only be $1 trillion. No, we need $1 trillion for state and local. We need $1 trillion, another $1 trillion for unemployment insurance and direct payments. We don't know something like that, but probably not as much for the testing, tracing, treatment, et cetera. So $1 trillion is okay. That's an interesting starting point.